feel for lasagna.
Watch it too.
Yo, if you feel like you can make it better, go make it yourself.
That's it, golly God.
One heap of pasta. How you doing?
I have been feeling for lasagna and I'm gonna make lasagna today. Have I ever eaten lasagna? No, but I feel for lasagna. I feel like it's something I would like. I already like pasta, I like beef, and I like cheese. So I want some lasagna. I'm going to actually let me Google what you need to make lasagna, because I have no idea. Lasagna recipe.
I just got to the supermarket. I do not remember the name of it. Oh my god, I don't even have a bag. I do not have a bag to bring these groceries in. It's giving Shelby. Are you slow? Why does everybody keep hitting my car? I'm getting very irritated. Every time I park somewhere, somebody's hitting my car. I don't know why. Every time I open the door and somebody's car is too close to me, I literally put my hand behind the door. So even if it does touch their car, it's my hand that's touching their car and not my car door. It's very annoying and I feel like it's very selfish of people. But whatever. At least not scratch. So, and this man better watch it too. Let's go inside, shall we? Fresh Foods, that's the name of the supermarket. Wow, and they already have a Christmas decor. Oh, so cute. They even have a Christmas tree. It's crazy. I've never tried this brand of seasoning. It's called Nancy Lee. Well, this is Italian seasoning and this is Cajun. Now I want some of that. So you see the supermarket, you know, it has a lot of nice things that I would try, and I'm trying so hard to just shut my eye and walk away and leave things alone that don't trouble me. But oh my gosh, it's so versatile in here. I love a versatile supermarket. Okay, stick to the list, Shelby. Stick to this. What did I get? Eggs weren't even on the list, but I got eggs because egg done. All right, eggs. Okay, where do I find cheese? Ricotta cheese or something like that? Oh yes, I'm in the aisle for which tomato sauce should I get? I don't necessarily want a very big one. I'm familiar with this brand, Ragu, but I'm also familiar with Prego. But do I want that much? Tomato, basil, garlic, roasted garlic and herb. I don't know. I'll take the Prego. Oh, they have a smaller one. Thank God. All right, so we have the regular Prego traditional one. All right, pasta. Lasagna pasta. I don't know. I'll just get this one. It's not that serious to me. I would just get the E. They have two other brands, but okay, it is what it is. I need spaghetti in case I have leftover meat. Is this Olipop? Oh, this is Poppy. These are prebiotic sodas. Should I get one just for the culture? I feel like I want to try this one, the strawberry lemon one. Ugh. Really and truly, I was trying to find a kombucha. Shaquille did let me try it one time and I actually really liked it. I can't remember the name of it, and I don't know if this supermarket has it. I'm looking, but that's the only, I guess, thing like that I see, which is the Poppy. I don't want to buy no more than one. The other stuff that I'm seeing is like vitamin water, which I don't want. I want kombucha. I want something for gut health, something that I'll enjoy. Well, I really enjoy it, you know, because it's like a fermented drink. Not the best tasting thing, but I didn't mind it. I'm not seeing it. I didn't see it in the fridge, so I thought I would see it at least in this juice aisle. But yeah, look. Damn. I can't find it, and she said it was the juice and she bought it, so should I really risk it and go there? Maybe I could try and get a roast wet fruit. This is what my basket looks like. Comment down below how much you think it costed. Bag secured! Literally, as soon as I came outside, the rain started coming down, and it's a good thing I took my umbrella too, because I had to use it to shelter both me and the lady that was packing my bag for me. So sorry I didn't have any cash on me at the time, but by the time I got in the car, I remember that I had cash in here, but Charlie walked off and ran out here now. So. Should I go to Lasagna? No. No, that'd be not that serious. It's not that serious. We're going up to make some lasagna! Woo! Let's go. See you at the house. Murder! Murder for Samantha! Ah! Ah! It's literally raining cats and dogs. And where am I? I'm going back to the supermarket because I bought everything except the beef. I bought everything except the main ingredient. So I went back to the same supermarket that I went to, which was the Super Value, and they don't have any beef at all. And I think that's why I didn't buy any, because normally I would see it out on the shelf and I didn't see it out on the shelf. So I think that's why I never took it up, because if I saw it I would have taken it up, but I didn't see it at all. I'm going to Lasagna, and funny enough, I was going to go there earlier when I asked Shaquille where she got the kombucha stuff. I don't have on my seatbelt, that's why the car go off like that. I was going to go there so I could get kombucha, but now I can go get my mints plus see if they have the kombucha. That would have sweet me. That would have really sweet me. And I made sure to check on Lasagna's Instagram to see if they're open, and they said they're open. So thanks be to God. I'll talk to you guys when I get there. Made it! Ah! Lasagna. Do y'all have any though? Okay, here we go. Mincy mints. So I just need like two. Now I'm looking for the kombucha. I found these ones, but I don't remember if these are the ones that Shaquille made me try. If not, I'm still going to take one, but more I find the one that she made me try. Found them! Yay! 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 How much for one? Oh wow, $700 for one? Ah, it is what it is. This is what I decided on getting. So a turmeric, ginger, lime, passion fruit, ginger and honey, and sorrel thyme.
So guys, here's the thing. My camera battery is dying. I honestly I can't bother taking you along this journey. I'm gonna do a very speedy version of my lasagna trial and error. Right? Right. So first things first, I'm going to boil the pasta? Right.
Yes.
Boil the pasta al dente. Al dente. So we're going to
season the meat.
While I boil this, I'm going to cut up my onions and my peppers and my my thyme. You know what? I'll just pop in periodically and let y'all know what's going on. Okay? That's what's going on over here. That's what's going on over here. It's just onion and sweet pepper. That's it. That's all. I'm gonna do the beef now, but I'm going to saute the onions and the peppers just a little bit of butter, just a little, like browning it, and then I'm gonna add some diced tomatoes and the tomato sauce and the rest. Well, pasta al dente, right? And we're gonna use this itty bitty thingy because this is what can hold my ear frame. Don't judge me. If you feel like you can make it better, go make it yourself. Never ask you. Here's my cheese sauce. The same way how I normally make it for my shrimp alfredo, chicken alfredo, you know that recipe. That's exactly how I made this. Yeah, I'm gonna layer my shit now. Guys, so this is what it looks like. Is it done? I don't know. We're gonna find that out now. Any oil, look, you just mix in.
Take a fork.
And do what?
And just at the corner. And just kind of, just kind of lift it up and show it a look.
It look alright. I don't know what it look like.
No. Spicy? Jaja. Can I taste the noodle to see if it's, just like, okay?
Well, it's breaking off, so.
Okay.
I think it's okay.
Okay. Yay!
Yay! Let me cut my square.
It's gonna be very soft.
Yeah.
When it cooled, it kind of hardened up. cut evenly better.
Me hungry now.
Top liquor.
Ah! No!
Spatula now.
Boy, murder, 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 murder! That little piece I never cut good. That's crazy. You're literally my downfall. Oh well, taste test. That was atrocious. Mind your business about this. We're here for taste, not for looks right now. When the rest are cool, I can take a better chunk. Let's see what the hype is about lasagna for real. Okay? So, this is just giving spaghetti and noodles in a different form to me.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Mmm. Interesting. It literally just tastes like spaghetti and minced. So I did not have my shut up.
Hey man, it's an experience.
Yeah. You're right.
That's essentially, literally what it is. There's nothing special about lasagna.
Wow, that's crazy. Taste this little crunchy top layer. Okay, I see the hype with that part. If it cut good and I had all of it in one bite properly, I feel like I would get it. Anyways, guys, mission accomplished.
Yay!
Yeah! Big up AndImShelby for helping me out. Yeah. Anyways, we don't know. I'm gonna eat my dinner and call it a night. See ya. Toodles. Morning. Well, it's actually not morning. I think I start my vlogs like that all the time now. But it is, I don't know, a couple days after. I don't remember the last thing I did. I think the last thing was the lasagna. That was pretty good. I'm so sorry that I didn't get to film it. I wanted it to, and it was very in-depth and went into detail on all of that. I was going through it with the lighting and the angles, and my tripod broke. It's just a lot going on right now. Okay. Today I'm going to try and see if I can look at some stoves, but I need to go home and measure the space to see what size stove I can get. Eventually I want a gas stove because I always think about what if the light go and I dead feel hungry. You know what I'm with it? I always think about that. The thing is, there's not really a space to put the cylinder, so yeah, I need to measure and try to figure out how I can store it. Even a little bit stressful, but so I go. I want to go do that now. I actually told, well, two of my friends offered to come with me, but can't get through to any of them, and I'm PMSing from morning. I wake up really miserable, and it's so funny that last night, power is really in the tongue, you know, because last night I was literally talking to one of my friends and I was like, normally when I'm PMSing, this would have started from like last week when I'm miserable out of my mind and nobody can talk to me. I was like, wow, I actually don't even feel bad knowing that my period is supposed to come like in 2 days, or should I reach already? And I woke up this morning angry as I woke up today so miserable. I was just over it with everybody, and then worse, my girl, really. Anyways, I'm just not in the mood, so I don't mind just going and doing everything by myself or just not doing anything at all. Me all hungry. Oh, I went to the doctor this week as well, and come to find out, I'm dehydrated for real. Can you guys believe that? A couple months ago in a vlog, I said that, you know, I ended up in the hospital and basically they were saying I was dehydrated, It seems like this is an ongoing thing. In my little checkups and whatever, and she was like, are you drinking enough water? So I'm like, I mean, water is all I drink. I should think so. So she's like, water is all I drink, but you're probably just not drinking enough. Mind you, I went to the doctor that day around 12 or so, and she's like, have you had any water all morning? I was like, she's like, exactly. So I have been forcing myself to drink more. So I have my big cup right here, and this is what I've been drinking, my water. So I don't know why, I just feel so exhausted, so out of breath. It's not a great day for me, but I'm gonna try to push through and just do what I have to do. Hopefully I find a stove that I like, and that is within a good budget. The other day I found a stove that I really liked, but it sold out now. Actually, they restocked it, but it was on sale at the time, so you know, it went back to the original price, and I don't feel like paying that much for a stove. Especially because it's a 6 burner, and I don't really need a 6 burner. I can do a 4 burner. I'm not gonna OD. Let's go. This camera battery is down. Bro, I need to change these batteries because I don't know why they're dying so quickly, and it really irritates me. Let's go home. I'm inside now, and this is what the space looks like. Don't bother mind the mess. So this is the space, right? So I just need to measure how much is 20 inches or how much is 30 inches. As I said, I want a gas cylinder. So what I was thinking, I never necessarily wanted to put the cylinder like right beside it, because as you can see, the hole is there for an electric stove, but I don't want an electric stove. So I was thinking, like, whenever I'm not using it, just for aesthetic purposes, I can put it in here. I'd probably have to get a small cylinder though. I don't know how this is gonna work, you know. Let me measure first. So that's how wide 20 inches is, right? It'll stop right here. So if it stops right here, I mean, I actually would have space to put the cylinder, so I could either put it on that side or the thing is, I don't want it directly beside the cupboard because I want this to be able to open, so it would definitely have to be like here. Honestly, it could work. I could have the cylinder beside it. I just feel like every minute I would have to be moving the cylinder, and you know, that's not gonna look. But I think it'll work. I just don't want an electric stove. I'm so sorry if my energy is so low now. I just feel very exhausted, and I don't know where this low energy just come from, but obviously I know that it has something to do with, you know, my period coming, PMS and all of that. But Jesus, this is very drastic. This seems very, very drastic. Also, I have another project that I'm gonna work on, right? So you see this blank space right here? I'm going to put a mirror there. My house in Portland, I had this mirror there with this really nice frame, but it's so old and it beat and battered and bruised that it took out the glass out of it and was using it. Oh my god, rain is falling. And was using it, and he was going to throw away the frame. So the last time I went over there, I was like, I want this frame because it's just so antique, and I feel like it just needs a little cleaning, a little restoration. Let me show it to you guys. So currently I put it over the breaker just for it to have a home. So that's what it looks like. So I want to put it right there, but I want to put it horizontally. I'll take it off and show it to you guys how it would look. When I tell you, it looks so good. I can insert a mock-up of how it would look, but I just love it. Let me say, I just want a little help, but all these details are just so beautiful. I love it. I just love that little goldish, bronzish, metallic finish that it has. A mirror would look so good in it. Paint upon it. It just won't clean. Honestly, it just won't clean. I feel like I can use some pink stuff and some other things, or ask somebody to clean it. I don't know. And it needs a new one of these as well, because as I say, it is giving way. Yeah, it's been in the family for a good number of years, so I just want to keep it. Okay, this picture is going to move. That picture is not going to stay there. I don't want it to stay there. As I said, it's just there right now for placeholder. I don't like it this one. It's too big, in my opinion, for right there. I don't know, I just don't like that picture right there. So it's gonna go in the living room. I'll probably end up putting it right back over the breaker. And the thing is, I want to have like a picture wall on that wall, so I'm going to be putting other prints and stuff over there as well. So yeah, anyways, I think that's about it. I want to leave before the rain starts coming down harder. I'm not in the mood to be driving in too much rain. That's a bit chaotic for my liking. Afternoon, quick OOTD. This is what the fit is looking like today. I'm gonna look at stoves and see which one I like. It has been raining. Shakil is coming with me and she's waiting on me right now, so I'm gonna go.
Do y'all see this rain right now? I am actually just so annoyed. I am so annoyed right now, because why is it raining? Why on the day that I choose to be productive, this is boosting all level of unproductivity. All levels of unproductivity in my life. I just feel like wrap it up. Honestly, I just feel like no bother. So these are the two contenders. This 20-inch one and this 24-inch one. This initially I was thinking of this one, but
the one that gets in the marble.
Yeah.
Sorry, what are you doing for the LG elbow?
I will talk back to you guys. Oh my gosh, I didn't even get to finish showing you guys the stove because we just have it like back and forth and I had to fill out the... Anyways, I'm done with that. What can go? So let's put it on the seat, then my love. Look at Shaki's bag and pan in here.
Come with the vlog. What can I really go for?
Oh, you do?
How much do you want?
Watch it. Do better, man.
Come, what's like a Starbucks right now? Go and get it going with the vlog.
It's actually people then. I'm telling us you.
Hey guys! Look how messy Shelby car is. She live in our car now.
As if half of those things aren't yours right now.
I don't have a thing in here. Did you guys see me put something in here? No.
They did.
Anyways,
actually.
guys, did you miss me on Shelby's vlog? So not kill the girl.
Yes!
One heap of pasa. Bye guys. Mr. Guys. Mr. Guys. Love y'all. Bye.
I'm doing a groom. Alexa, pause. So I'm getting ready to go on the road. Soon tell y'all where I'm going. It is now 7:29. And truly I should have been ready by latest 8:30. I should have started getting ready from 7. But things happen. Y'all know how it goes. Alright, so this is what I look like. I just had to do a little ponytail and call it a day. I didn't get to slick it. I don't have anything to slick it. On 2 pins, thankfully, to pin the sides up. And that's that. This is the fit. Not too crazy. My bag is very small, so I can't even really bring anything like that. I didn't want to say where I was going on the live, but I'm going to a Jamaica food and drink thingamajig that Tash invited me to as our +1. So she's on her way here, and then we're gonna carpool. Yeah, I'm just waiting on her. In the meantime, I'm gonna pee because I need to pee real bad. This makeup actually came out very nicely. Big up the new products. I wanted to put something pink in my hair. I was gonna tie this into a bow, but it just messed up the hair, especially because it's not slicked. So I got a phone trouble with me. So yeah,
One and go.
When I'm ready to drive.
I know y'all miss me. Probably like, who is this girl?
Like how many years has it been?
The OGs know me.
Yeah, the OGs know.
Yeah.
Like what's the name again? Jamaica Food and Drink Decades. I've never been to one of these, so
Oh, they come with your belly, yeah?
yes, ma'am. The belly empty, man. I'm ready.
Original girl, you want a replica? No. Smoothie, no regular. No. Make it for real, I'm pretty from my cellular. No. You won't say hot. No.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now.
Guys, guess who joined the party? I'm a pork lover. Oh my God. Guys, I found a seashell.
I literally tweeted like, you know who else because I wanted a picture. Congrats at 39.
Thank you.
Party.
Rocky.
Cause we about to pour the rounds up. Jump. Well, you know what up to make it jump.
Yeah.
How you do?
So the doll is home. This is what I'm looking like. Not gonna lie, my face did good. My face held up. 1:39 a.m. and I left out about 9. Not too bad if you ask me. Not too bad if you ask me. The event itself, not really my crowd per se. Maybe if we went with more people, maybe if it wasn't raining, maybe if the food lines weren't so long. There was so many things to choose from, and I had a little bite to eat. My belly full. I don't think I had anything that tasted bad. There's nothing that I tasted that I was like, ugh, yuck. Mind you, I didn't even have a lot to try, but what I did manage to try didn't taste too bad. I kind of just felt like a lost puppy. I would not even know if to do this. I think it would have been so much better if it just wasn't raining. And you know that's not a fault of JA Food and Drink. I just
circumstances. But initially I was like, would I go to one of those again? But I think I would give it one more chance to redeem itself on a nice sunny day. And they even had to push back the time too because of the whole weather thing. But yeah, that is it. That is all. I am exhausted. I can finally pull out my hair. My hair held up better than I anticipated, seeing that I don't have in any type of gel or nothing like that in my hair. Boy, them hairpin, all them do is just tear up my hair, dear God. Anyways. Oh, wow. That was so nice. So I'm just gonna wrap my hair, take off this makeup, and go to bed. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. It's the next day. I'm gonna see if I can do some stuff on the road, but before I do that, this monstrosity called my living room, dining room area needs to be cleaned. This not look good. This not look good. Why is there why did someone put it? I don't remember putting it right there. That's empty, mind you. Okay, yeah. Let's just clean it. Okay? Let's just clean it.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best. Taking
People, I'm glad I caught it when I did.
Morning.
Good morning.
Again. Because why we keep doing that?
I don't know. So we're currently in Azan's. Trying to get some curtains. So what I want for the curtains, I want brown on the ends and a little sheer color in the middle, right? So this is what we're getting for the middle part. So I have 2 windows in my room. So I got 4 panels of this. However, this, I like the pattern of this, but I don't like the color. I don't like the color. It's too. Now I feel that brown that I want. I see the shade of brown that I want in the sheer, but I don't see it in the blackout. This is the darkest brown that I'm seeing, and I might just take it, to be honest.
Browns. Ooh. I've spotted. I actually don't know what this is, and it's the only one.
I think it's sheer. Yeah, this is giving sheer
one.
Yeah,
I couldn't tell because it was in the package. But I think these.
That is that.
This is that.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Put them together. I prefer this, guys. I think I prefer this as opposed to that pattern. Yeah, I much prefer this one. My problem now, I wish this had these. So it's gonna look awkward now. Oh my god. This is what we got. You know, when I reach the house, I'll give you a little haul. When I get home, I'll give you a little haul properly, but so the lady asked for the things. Hello. This is actually not bad. It looks like a honeycomb. You know the things that you used to take out. Yeah, right. That thing on hers. He's on hers.
He's on hers. He's so real.
Why did you say we're getting those? For safekeeping?
In case you want to change them out.
Bro, that is so unserious, you know?
It is.
Guess the bill.
It don't reach 40K. Oh, okay. Oh,
24.
That's not bad still.
I was gonna say 30. Actually. Is that not bad? Alright, so we left Azan's and actually we ended up going to
Super value to try and get a tension rod for my living room so I can put curtains in there, but they don't have one that's long enough. I'm just gonna have to do the regular. I never buy the rod for your living room instead of a tension rod.
Oh no, Rothschild. I thought so you're gonna want the same ones, no?
Do I? I don't know if I want those. I don't know if I want those ones for the living room.
I didn't even see any regular rods. Then again, we probably didn't look. Right,
we didn't look. We didn't look.
Oh well.
Oh well.
Fun.
Yeah. So, yeah. Anyways, we did TJ. It's a long day. It's been a long day. Okay? And I'm gonna have me a cute little drink. A mocktail. I'm gonna have me a strawberry lemonade. And
you have not eaten, so you need to get food.
I have not, but I don't want to eat a lot because I have a thingy at home. Those new, they have a new, it's like pizza but in the form of cupcakes.
Oh,
I don't know what it's called.
Oh gosh.
I don't know. Pizza, like I don't know what the hell. Puff thing, what
puff,
I'm called.
yeah.
I don't remember. Yeah, from Little Caesars.
Oh.
So, I have a box of those that I was going to eat later. So I didn't want to buy like a lot of food. I'll probably just get like a boneless bites.
Yeah. That's what I ate last night, but we can't eat that. We're hungry.
Oop. Hungry, I killed it all.
Later I may have to cook. I ate all my food this week. All my food that I made this week.
Yeah, the lady eat her food, innit? The lady cook and eat up our food.
Yeah,
and eat up our interest
food.
Healthy.
Mini meal prep. Mini, not fully,
and
but
I cannot relate.
Yeah.
For the past week and a half or so, I've been eating very unhealthy. But don't worry, remember we'll buy the stove, people.
Yeah, that's the next.
Remember?
Next on the list, grocery shopping.
Yeah. Next vlog.
So, yeah.
Stay tuned for that.
Stay tuned. We're getting it back together.
Yeah, cause this no. Like I understand big back, but the level of big back, yeah.
I feel like everybody has been kind of eating. Cause you're not the first person here to say that.
I don't know what people don't know. I say, oh, me not really, I really go KFC that often.
Oh my God, you had KFC? You don't eat KFC?
Well, I tell them about KFC the other day and decided, okay, I want to try the little barbecue popcorn chicken. I buy the box. So
crazy.
I got the popcorn chicken and it come with 2 other pieces of meat and they were both barbecue chicken and I had fries and I got coleslaw and I got a biscuit.
That is a lot for you.
And Jason get a famous bowl and my name on top of that. And him get a popcorn chicken and me did want to eat it and I told myself no, this has to stop.
I have to stop.
I remember I cook lasagna, with the bag of oil and the bag of cheese and the bag of ray, and I fucked that up too. And the rest of the mince that I had left, I made a nacho bowl.
Pain.
Yeah.
Pain.
The healthiest thing I had in that time was
yesterday.
chopped.
Still, I had a cheat day yesterday.
That's okay. It was a Friday.
I had pink apron.
Where did you get that pink apron?
The pork belly and noodles. Yeah. So yeah.
Yeah,
but it's not so bad.
Yeah.
Could have been worse.
It could have been worse. Yeah.
Not so bad.
Yeah. Anyways.
Anyway, we're going inside.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
It's a decision that I took for this only. Killian wanted to come.
Wow. It's giving me a quick nothing. It's just juice, y'all.
Don't kill me. Is anything nice?
People remember that she's like 3 shots of rum in her liquor, some shit. Like between she and Carrie, I don't know which one of them worse. Actually,
exaggerating.
So like they'll come here and have Long Island and Long Beach.
If you're drinking, if you're not drinking, you're not drinking.
I drink for taste.
I drink for the effects.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Fuck the taste.
Well, I drink for taste. Like it's gotta be a nice sweet drink.
Honey, I'm home. We're gonna unbox the stuff. Yay.
So guys, welcome back to the channel.
Right.
Of course, we're entering the unboxing segment of the video. Now that we're home, we brief.
Right.
And unbox.
Right.
So of course, you probably can't see, but we have a real box with whole heap of things.
Yes. Accoutrements.
Accoutrements. Probably jumping the gun a little, but let's get started.
Yes. God said, "Let there be light."
Oh,
And
there was, wow, so bright.
there was light.
So of course, our main item for today were curtains.
Right. I don't know. We ended up with other things, but we're just going to ignore.
But you know, we're just girls.
Yeah, we're just girls.
And we're adulting.
Right.
So it comes with the territory.
So the color scheme,
As you can probably tell.
it's earth tones. Earth tones. So I wanted a brown on the ends and a little nice little nude little beige in the center.
Yeah.
Right? So this is what we have. This little geometric pattern. This is like XXO Gossip Girl.
And then show them.
And then good quality, you know, people. People will catch the sale.
Cashmere, the king.
Will caught the sale.
Yeah.
At Azans, ain't gonna lie. They ate with this. I prefer the material on this one more than these, but they never have no good material.
Yeah, in that one.
Yeah, in this with this color. Yeah. So yeah, you're probably wondering, you got that? Yes, we did. And did.
We did.
And did. Don't ask about it. Don't ask about it. Oh, and then these are the these are to go with these. So these on the outer parts, these on the inner. These are the sheer ones, and then the nice one here in the living room. Yeah. Got some cordless.
People them can't see.
We got some cordless blinds, right, to go over my kitchen window.
They're white.
And they're white, you know. I didn't want a cream. They had like a creamish color, but me I said they're too close to the wall. I don't know. I just want something give, you know. And I don't want to put curtain. I don't feel like I put curtain in the kitchen. I don't know. And then last but not least, y'all know the mat I have in my bathroom, and it would take too long to order one, next one right now. So let's go buy one.
Yeah.
You know, in due time I'll get another seashell mat to put on that side, but until then, this is what we're working with. Right, Louise? Right. Yes, sit your ass down. We ain't done. I know we have some really good fan bangles.
So there's extras, command hooks, of course, the hang stuff on the wall.
Right.
And we got the version that you push them into the wall and actually just kind of like hammer it in. More secure than the regular strip ones.
Got extension.
Oh, you forget my extension.
Right.
This is mine.
And the regular command strips.
Right. Just regular for, you know, lighter things.
Here you go, sweetie. Yeah. That's it. That's all. Yeah, so
that's the haul.
Yeah, that's the haul.
Stay tuned to see how everything comes together.
Yeah.
Right?
We ain't got no drill yet right now to
actually put them up, but you know, in time.
In due time. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, bye.